Today we're going to learn something that apparently my partner told my children but didn't tell me how to do it. We're going to scoop up some dirt, some top layer of dirt in the yard, and we're going to pour it in a bucket and add a bunch of water, and we're going to separate the dirt with the sand and rocks as well, or anything that is found within the soil and stuff like that. So we'll get rocks and glass and metal and screws and things like that, and we'll also get little bits of sticks and tree bits, and that'll be one layer, and then we'll also just get some sand, which is perfect timing because I'm trying to make a tiny little sand pit. And here it is, and here's my explanation. The first thing we want to do is shovel some topsoil into a bucket or container or something big enough to hold the soil, and then what we're going to do next after this is spray a lot of water in there, or you can put the water in first and then add the dirt, it doesn't matter. A lot of mix matching here, and then I shovel and mix all the soil around. Mixy, mixy, mixy. And then I add some more water, and that will sort of loosen everything up again. And right now what's happening is the two layers are being separated, and that is the top layer and the bottom layer. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking a sifter, a clean one, and scooping the top layer and draining out any excess water, and then putting it into my wheelbarrow. And this is all of the hay, the leaves, little bits of nice stuff, and I'm going to reuse it for composting or put it straight on the soil again. Just continuing to do the same thing over and over again. And then I drain the water and any excess mud. And I'm going to continue the process of adding water and mixing everything around and loosening everything up, which is a long and fun little, somewhat difficult process. And we empty the water again to get rid of any mud. And right here you can see some of the sand that's going into the sifter, and we're trying to get all the little particulates, little rocks and things like that, glass and pebbles, rusty bits and all that, and then put it into a bucket. Is me collecting my jewels at the moment. Continue the process until you have sand, basically. That's pretty much it. And this is the top stuff with all the hay and tree bits and all that stuff useful for composting.